Hey y'all, so I just got in the door and I wanted to film this quick before I change my mind. So, this is called a Naloxone kit. There's two different ones. They are free, so you can go to any pharmacy and pick them up. So I went to Shoppers Drug Mart and I got this. You're allowed to get two at one time. So this is if somebody is overdosing on opiates. So if you have somebody in your life who's at risk, you definitely want to pick this up. It's free. So the first kit is a nasal. They're both the same. It's just whichever method you're more comfortable administering. So I got one of each so that I could show you guys. So this is the nasal one, which is also referred to as Narcan. So that was something that the pharmacist pointed out to me when I picked this up. It might be referred to that way. This one, it's just simple. Press, put it in the nose. So if you think somebody is unconscious from an opioid overdose, you'd administer one dose of that, and then try CPR. If they're unresponsive, 2 to 3 minutes, you would administer a second dose. Obviously, once you try and awaken them, you call 911, then you give the dose of Naloxone, try CPR, and if it isn't working, you can repeat steps 3 and 4 after 2 to 3 minutes, and make sure that you have them in the recovery position. So I think probably most people would be more confident with the nasal, or comfortable, I think, unless you have experience with doing a lot of injections. But it also comes with a pair of gloves and a little CPR mask. The second kit is an injection kit, so a little bit different. So it comes again with 2 doses, and then it comes with the little vials. So this is a plastic cap. You can remove it carefully, but it's designed to break that off. Then you would take the syringe, pull the dose in completely, hold the needle upright, and like flick it, get the air to the top, push the air out so that it's just like dripping out. Like a drip comes out, so you know the air is out. It's okay if there's a little air bubble in there, he said. Like, you'd actually have to administer, like, I think he said like over 2 of full air to be harmful. So if there's a little air bubble, still administer it, but just hold it upright, flick it, and press till some liquid comes out. You should get all the air out. So again, it comes with 2 doses. So you would try and get as much as you can out of the vial. You want the whole dose. Again, the gloves and the mask. So what this does is it stops the effects of the opioid. So he said immediately, as soon as you administer it, the person is not going to be your friend. They're probably going to be very sick. And yeah. So yeah, I think it's really important that everybody knows. Pick yours up, any drugstore.